In the mystical realm of Camelot, where legends breathe and dreams walk the earth, there lived a king unlike any other, Arthur Pendragon. His story is one woven from the threads of magic, courage, and destiny. Our tale begins on a crisp autumn morning as the mist clung to the rolling hills of Camelot. The kingdom was alive with anticipation, for today was no ordinary day. It was the day of the grand tournament, where knights from across the lands would compete for honor and glory. In the heart of the kingdom stood the majestic Camelot castle, with towers that touched the sky and walls as strong as the resolve of the king who dwelled within. King Arthur, young yet wise beyond his years, watched from his balcony as the kingdom stirred to life.